To remove the header from a specific WordPress page, you can use one of the following methods. Using theme settings, log into your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Appearance, Customize. Look for an option like Header or Layout in the theme customizer. Check if there's an option to disable the header for specific pages. Some themes allow you to hide the header without additional code. Using page builders, edit the desired page with your page builder. In Elementor, click on the gear icon at the bottom left to open page settings. Set the page layout to Elementor Canvas or similar, which removes the default header and footer. Adding custom CSS. If your theme doesn't have built-in options, you can hide the header with CSS. Go to Appearance, Customize, Additional CSS. Add the following code, replacing page ID 123 with your page's ID. To find the page ID, edit the page and check the URL for something like post equals 123. Editing theme files. Go to Appearance, Theme File Editor. Edit the header.php file to conditionally hide the header for specific pages. This requires knowledge of PHP.